Spirit Tower, medevac 686 Tango X-ray, hold short of 26 left, ready to go.
686 Tango X-ray, Spirit Tower, just await your IFR release. 686 Tango X-ray, fly runway heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading 26 left, clear for takeoff, medevac 686 Tango X-ray.
Tango X-ray traffic ahead and to your right. This says the northwest bound. There'll be no factor for you. Contact St. Louis departure. Have a good flight.
Departure, medevac 6 Tango X-ray. See it.
Tower.com, 6510. We'll be ready for takeoff. 26 left.
6510 Spirit Tower. Hold for IFR release.
Release 6510.
6510. Fly runway heading. Runway 26 left. Clear for takeoff.
Heading clear for takeoff, 26 left.com, 6510.
Contact St. Louis departure. Have a good flight.
Departure, 6510, see you.
Tower, Cap 2369 on the island, 26 left, full stop air starting.
2369 Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, cleared to land.
Clear to land, Cap 2369. Lima Delta traffic in sight.
Number 7 Lima Delta, roger. Base turns your discretion. Runway 26 left, cleared to land. Follow the Cessna. Short final.
Lima Delta, cleared to land, 26 left.
Lima Delta, no delay off the runway, turn right at Alpha 6, contact ground point 7.
Lima Delta, no delay, Alpha 6, ground point 7.
Spirit Tower, Aero 2242, November, 6 miles to the east of the field of animation, India, requesting full stop on the south runway.
Number 2242 November, Spirit Tower, make straight in for runway 26 left, your number 2 following Tampico, 2 mile final.
Straight in for 26 left, following Tampico traffic, 42 November.
November, turn right Alpha 5, then contact ground point 7.
5 over the ground, 14 November.
669, runway 26 left, cleared to land. If you can, keep it in close. I got a Challenger out there about 10 miles out on a left base.
26 left, cleared to land, crew check 669. Crew check 669. You want us to make a short approach? Would that be easier for you?
Make a short approach, that'd be fine. He's about 7 miles out. I'm going to take him about 5 mile final.
Roger, we'll just do a short approach for you. Crew check 669. Contact ground 121.7, nice job. Thank you, ground 121.7.
576, Spirit Tower, Young.
And final right now for FlexJet 576.
FlexJet 576, Spirit Tower, Roger, runway 26 left, clear to land.
26 left, FlexJet 576.
Flexjet 576, contact ground point 7, take care.
3 Sierra Delta has the traffic in sight.
Number 3 Sierra Delta, Roger, behind the Challenger, your base turn will be approved, runway 26 left, clear to land, number 2, caution wake turbulence.
Land number 2 behind the Challenger, Sierra Delta.
Spirit Delta, turn right at Alpha 8, taxi straight ahead to parking, remain this frequency.
Alpha 8, to the ramp with you, Sierra Delta, thank you.
For 6 Alpha Lima, runway 26 left, clear to land, and you will be number 2 following the, he's a Citabria on about a 2-mile base.
6 Papa Lima cleared to land on 26 left, second behind the Ottawa. We've got him on radar. We'll be looking for the visual, 6 Papa Lima.
Alpha Lima, turn right at Alpha 6 and contact ground point 7.
At Alpha 6 and contact ground, 6 Papa Lima.
Tower Jet 500 is ready in sequence.
500, fly runway heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
26 left, clear for takeoff, that's Jet 500.
Contact St. Louis departure. Have a good flight.
Jet 500 today. 69 will be ready to go at Alpha 2.
369 Spirit Tower, turn left on course, runway 26 left at Alpha 2, clear for takeoff.
Course, clear for takeoff, 26 left at Alpha 2 for 2369.